Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, let's prepare these simple snacks together. I have my hot milk here. I'm going to put my dry yeast inside the hot milk, a little bit of salt also. So I will mix everything together, and after then I will cover it, keep aside for few minutes before I will use it. Mix it very well together and cover. So the next thing, I will go for the rest ingredient. Here I have my butter. I'm just going to put it on the bowl. I had my sugar on it as well. So the bowl was too small for me. I changed bone to a bigger bone. I'm just mixing everything together, guys. I will add my egg. So I use 2 eggs for this recipe. Keep on mixing everything together until it is well combined. This is our dry yeast we mixed earlier, so I pour it inside and mix together. Keep on mixing, guys. So it's just mixing. So now I'm going to stiff my flour. Stiff everything together. It's good when you stiff your flour, guys. So now I'm going to continue mixing. So I think I will stop now with use my hand to mix everything together. So my hand is already clean. I'm going to use hand to mix it. Let's keep on with the video, guys. I am done with the dough, guys. I'm going to cover for few minutes to rest. So a few minutes later I bring it out. I'm going to divide it into 2 to make it easier for the rolling. So I'm just going to roll everything now. I'm gently with the dough. Don't be too harsh on it. You can turn it anytime you want. When you see that you are not comfortable with the size you are going for, you can always turn it just the way I'm doing here, and the same time making it easier for the size I'm going for. Yeah, I have my cutter, so I'm just going to cut to the size that I want. So it's not too big, not too small either. You can cut to your taste desire, guys. So my own was just not too big, not too small, as I said before. Keep on watching, guys. So I just cut it 4 corners. So the next thing, I will divide it again as triangle. So this is the size that I'm going for and the shape as well. So just do the shape that you wish, guys. It doesn't really matter. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. I use my fork to design the dough a little bit, guys. As I said before, it doesn't really matter, but it gives it more beauty. So when I finish with this, I will continue the same process for the rest dough that we have on the bowl. So don't forget, we know we have the rest bowl. So when I finish with this, I will just continue rolling the other one. pan now, so I'm going to put it in the oven for 150 degrees for 15 minutes. Look at it guys, ready. It was already cooked. So while I have it on the go also, it was really delicious. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Thank you and see you on my next video. Bye bye.